Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Real quick, man, I just want to give a shout out to my haters, really. No, I'm just kidding. I always thought that'd be like kind of a cool thing to say. It wasn't actually that sick once it came out of my mouth. Now, man, I want to thank you all so much for all the support. Everyone hitting notification bells, everyone hitting the thumbs up and comments down below. Appreciate all you guys, man. You know, I'm self-proclaiming this. We might be the biggest YouTube jewelry review channel on YouTube. And also maybe the only one. I haven't done my research, but I think that's what it is. So if you guys want to keep getting us monetized, keep pushing our content, give a thumbs up and comment down below again. Really appreciate it, man. Let's go. And real quick, man, this video is sponsored by our favorite people over at Rose Gold and Black. Brand, who's Rose Gold and Black? Says no one, because we always show love to my boys. And honestly, even if you don't know, you know, because I've been wearing these for the past long time. What Rose Gold and Black sells is bracelets just like this. This has actually been kind of my setup for a long time now. I just don't take them off even when I shower. It's always good quality. They don't rip or anything. I like this one loose and this one like hangs a little bit. It just like, especially with this shirt right here, gives you vibes of like, yo, I'm chill. I'm probably gonna go to Coachella next year. Actually, I was just digging through all my stuff that I have from them. This might be the next thing I start in my rotation of the what I wear from them. This cool thing right there. It's got the clasp that you can do this. I just found this. I totally forgot I had it. They also sell watches like this. I found this one in my arsenal from them. I've been rocking this one a lot too lately. Anyway, they got necklaces, chains, on their website, rings, everything low-key you want with a cool box if you want to keep it in the box. Do what you need to do. Rose Gold and Black right now. If you click the link down below, it's a special link. You get 20% off. Guess what? If you use the code NameBran at checkout as well, spelled just like the channel is, you get an extra 10% off. My math is correct. That's 30% off. Fully, y'all go rock with Rose Gold and Black if you wish, or at least go check them out. And also, they are shipping through all this crap that's going on right now. So at least there's a plus side of, hey, I get a cool package while this stuff is going down. That's sick. RoseGoldandBlack.com. We really appreciate them, man. Go check it out. Blah. Cool. Let's get into the video. Alright, man, let's go. This package has taken a good 2 months to get here. It's finally here. I've been tracking it, and tracking's not working anyway. This is what's going on. Everyone, and I mean almost everyone, so not even close to almost everyone, but a lot of people, the majority of people start this over. A lot of times I get a lot of comments from people saying they really like the diamond testing videos, whether it's me diamond testing jewelry to see if it will pass a diamond tester, or diamond testing my own jewelry to prove to you guys that it's real, because everyone doubts me. Nonetheless, we get a lot of comments on that. So, you know, 2 months ago, literally, I had this idea of maybe going on the website Wish, that is most known for selling really cheap things. Like you could get necklaces on there for $1. You can get a lot of cheap items. That's kind of what they're known for. I did my research, man. I went on that website and I searched up, because I know there's one diamond, going with what you guys really like to watch, I know there's one type of fake diamond that generally passes diamond testers, and what that's called is moissanite. So I went on the website they call Wish, and I bought some jewelry that is moissanite, and hopefully it passes. And if it does, it's a big win, because it's crazy it comes from Wish, and I think you guys would dig it. So without further ado, we're unboxing this package that I can't even tell. Like, they got my address all over this thing, so I won't have it on our screen that long. That I got from Wish. I got this from Wish. my mind's everywhere today, bro. I gotta be somewhere in like an hour and a half, and I gotta edit it before then. And me talking right now is making it, the editing probably go longer, because I'll probably keep this in, because I like being honest. Without further ado, here's what we got from Wish. Hopefully it passes a diamond tester. And it was, if I am correct, $100. I looked at my emails. I couldn't find out exactly if it was $100 or not, because it was a long time ago. Let's go. Okay, man, so I'm not gonna lie to you guys, man, and it just popped out. Okay, no, it's still good. All right, I'll just put the top on, have a look. I can't remember exactly what I got, but I just saw it's a chain, so that's good. I wasn't sure if I got a pendant or a ring or something, but yeah, so it's moissanite. We're gonna see how it passes. $100 is actually really good. Classic box. I've seen these on Wish always. I'm really stoked, man, because let's go. If it does pass, not gonna lie, I know you guys are gonna be stoked about it, because it's like, oh, where did you get it? I can find moissanite on da-da-da-da-da now. I'm pretty stoked as well, because if it does pass, we have a sick title for a video. Once again, not gonna lie to you guys. So, let's go. Now this is bringing back my memories. All right, classic bag, it's weird. What we have here is obviously, I wonder if this is sterling silver too. I should look at markings. I should look at markings right now, actually. There's no, usually it'd be on the clasp. Yeah, there's no marking right there. Anyway, what I got was a tennis chain. I totally remember now the reason I did it, because on my website, I do know that the most popular item on my website is tennis chains, so I think that's the reason why I picked this one. There's really not much to say. Y'all have seen tennis chains before. The reason I picked the most popular item that's from my website is because obviously you guys dig that the most, so I thought I would find out the best piece that could possibly pass a diamond tester, hopefully. And you know, you guys can apparently fake flex. I'm not judging here, but just a little bit. Just a little. I know you guys' plan, bro. Y'all are trying to fake flex a little bit. That's fine. It's cool. Fake flex till you make it. You know what I mean? Fake it till you make it. I think that's what they say. Do what you want to do. Yeah, this is gonna be a short video now I think about it, but it's what it is. Looks really nice. What I actually have here is, first off, our $500 diamond tester off Amazon. Somebody corrected me the other day being like, it's not 500 bucks, it's this price, idiot. And I'm like, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but we've been calling it $500 diamond tester for a long time. Maybe it's 400, not sure. We're gonna go with that. Then we also have this one, the classic $20 one you can get on Amazon or anything like that. Probably can get it off Wish too. That generally is correct, but has some flaws to it. So without further ado, we're not gonna waste any time, bro. I'm just stoked to see if this works. What do we do first? Okay, let's start with this one, because I think it's definitely gonna pass this one if it's moissanite. Then we'll go to the big guns. I'm glad you guys like these diamond tester videos, by the way, too, because I love them. I think it's like a surprise for all of us, because I can get the stuff in the mail. I already know what it is, but I don't know if it's going to work out the way that I would like it to. Once again, for title reasons, and for you guys to find some cool stuff. So what we did is set it to the bar right here. Totally forgot I don't have my jewelry on. I usually put it on every video. Dang, let me get that real quick. All right, just for example reasons, here's my ring right here, my favorite one by far. This one's very, very sick. Real diamonds, just to let you guys know that don't know already. That's what happens if it's real. Cool? Sound good? If it's not real, it doesn't do anything. Let's give her a go. I'm gonna try to not just shake here. Whoa, nothing there. Okay. Oh, I'm shaky. Sorry, I was trying to be chill about that. I just bust the back off that when I did that. Sorry, try to be chill. I'm really shaky and it doesn't work. I gotta prop it with my finger. I'm only keeping this in because people get a kick out of my idiocy with this stuff. That's the only reason. That was one red. I think we're gonna count that. This thing just broke. I think it's when I smashed it. It just broke. It's not working anymore. Boom! That broke it more. Damn. Okay, next up, I can't even say that on YouTube. Now I have to bleep that. That works. Do we all see that worked at least? That's a sale on the website. Thank you, boys. Okay, so next up, we're getting to the $500 one. This is the one I'm actually really, really stoked for. And actually, with this one, what they say, you should clean off the part that you're about to test first, just to make sure it's all accurate. So boys, I think we're gonna be, would you pass that as being real right there? The thing that I just threw, you heard that, right? And you saw the little red thing? We're gonna pass it. It's broken, I don't know what to do, I gotta buy another one. That's gonna be my third one. Next up, one more time, let's go. I'm gonna try to keep this one real steady, bro. Come on, Wish, don't fail us now. And it's in. Nothing. Nothing? It's moissanite! It didn't even, okay, look at the buttons here, bro. Moissanite sometimes gets detected on there, but sometimes it fools it. And if you guys look at the colors here, focus, bro. Focus, bro. Red is metal, moissanite, that's diamond. Y'all see that? Sometimes I've had moissanite things that have sometimes showed up as moissanite on this, but sometimes it tricks it. Let's try one more time. Come on, baby. Let's go. Make it green. Nothing. Well, I don't really know where to go from there. I broke the one diamond tester and this one's just not testing it anymore. I want to make this a longer video for you guys, but I also wanted to get straight to the point a little bit. That's what we have here. Am I peeved a little bit? I guess I passed that one, but did not pass this one at all, which is really weird. If it was moissanite, it would have at least showed up on here. I don't know. I'm in a pickle right now. I don't know what else to say. Appreciate y'all for watching Merc in the Game, the greatest of all time. Here's a classic NameBran video that goes completely wrong. Wow.